Recording.
All right, here we are heading back north across the Mackinac Bridge. Beautiful sunny morning. Heading back up to Canada to wrap around the top of the Great Lakes. And then it's down through New York and back home. So, looks pretty still out on the lake this morning. Already pretty hot. We're up near 80 degrees. Really glad we didn't have to do either of these crossings with a high crosswind. There's no doubt in my mind up here that it gets real windy sometimes. And between that and get stuck in the middle lane on the great portion of it, it's real sketchy. Now we're going to get stuck on the camera. And here we are back on the great section again. Always loads of fun to get the wiggles of the knobbly tires. Look at that view. All right, coming down the other side of it. Another few miles, we'll be up the Canadian border crossing.
Recording.
All right, here we are going over to Ste. Marie, the big bridge into Canada. Look at this line. I hope that it isn't the same going into Canada. It is going to be hot sitting out here on the tarmac. But look at this view. See the harbor with everything going on in it. Look like blocks. There's boats up and down the river, I guess. I guess from here on out, we're in Canada again. Yep, there we are, the kilometers per hour. And look at that, there's all the traffic. So now we can sit in the heat. Fun. So it's the last morning of my trip. We're here in western New York. Stayed in Hamburg, New York last night. And it looks like we're in a foggy, overcast morning. Not raining yet. Probably hit some today, but not raining yet. And just motoring on home. Looks like about a little over 300 miles left to go on this trip. All right, so here we are. We're over 13,100 miles into it, and we are just about to the Pennsylvania border here. And here we go. Welcome to Pennsylvania. Woohoo! All those states and providences and everything else. Back to home state. A little over 125 miles to go. Till I'm home. But could be back in PA. All right, so here's the best part of the trip right here. And there is home. 13,243 miles later. And back in the drive. Woo, what a trip. And there's the fam.